Adda 24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. Today's topic is advantages of retail banking to banking. Here, understand the logic. Why banks should follow the retail banking model? Why? See, there are many banking systems available. Okay, one is retail, then there is trade, then there is treasury, merchant banking. Why should bank go for retail banking? Why should it have all these saving current accounts? So what are the advantages? So this is a very important topic, and this is the basic of your topic be RBWM. Okay, follow this till the end. Firstly, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, daily quizzes, plus live classes, plus notes, plus test, everything you will be getting. So download it immediately. Whatever required for JAIIB and CAIIB, you will get it immediately over here. Second, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting all two things. Number one, all the updates for JAIIB and CAIIB. Whatever is happening, immediately you will get it. Second, free YouTube series. See here, the present YouTube series which you are watching it on Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel only. So that's why, subscribe to it and click on the bell icon. These are the two new batches for JAIIB coming up. Okay, join this ASAP. January 13th they are starting. Okay, the timings and discounts, everything I'll cover it later. Use the code Y432. Never ever forget this code Y432. Okay. So what is retail banking? See here, the topic is what are the advantages of retail banking, right? For the overall banking sector. Firstly, retail banking is a banking service that is geared primarily towards individual customers. See this, individual customers. Now, the difficulty with retail banking and the advantage with retail banking is the same. You have to cater to one customer, all the individuals in the society. So that is also an advantage, and that is also a hard work involved. Remember, see here, I'll give you a very simple example. Getting one Reliance customer for loan. Okay, one Reliance for loan. Okay, how much loan will be given to Reliance? Let's say roughly I'll call it 100 crores. Okay, 100 crores minimum amount I'm giving. Reliance doesn't require 100, it requires around 1 lakh crores. Okay, so Reliance, getting one Reliance and giving 100 crores is one point. Now if I have to give 100 crores through my retail portfolio, then how many customers will I have to contact? I'll have to contact almost 1 lakh customers at least, not more, not even 1 lakh, I would say 10 lakh customers. So I'll have to contact 10 lakh customers and then give them the smaller amount of loans. So now this also becomes a hard work over here, hard work. Okay, but there is an advantage to this. What is the advantage? Very important. Suppose if tomorrow, let's say let's not call this Reliance, let's call this some XYZ company. Okay, let's not name anyone. So if let's say XYZ company getting one corporate XYZ. Now tomorrow this XYZ customer or XYZ company goes down, becomes an NPA. Then how much loan of the bank is going into NPA? Full 100 crores gone into NPA. But in this, you had found almost 10 lakh customers, right? So if one customer goes into NPA over here, what happens to the bank? No risk. Why? Because remaining 9 lakh or whatever that figure is, 9,99,009, all these are still intact. So the chances of all the 10 lakh customers getting into NPA is very less. So that's why retail banking is advantageous. The risk to the bank is very low in case of retail banking. Okay, so that is primarily geared up towards individual consumers. We have to contact these customers and sell various accounts. Okay, saving, current, insurance. You can sell this home loans, personal loans, gold loans, any type of loan, right? All the segments which are there for retail can be sold to these individual consumers. Retail banking is usually made available by commercial banks as well as smaller cooperative banks. Okay, why only smaller? There are big cooperative banks also. Okay, so by commercial and cooperative banks you can call it, simple, isn't it? Unlike wholesale banking, wholesale means what? Just now I gave you the example. One loan to XYZ corporate, 100 crores. Retail banking focuses strictly on consumer markets. Now, what is consumer market? What do you mean by this word consumer? Consumer means individual person like you and me. Not only person, there can be smaller companies also, proprietor, partnership, small companies, private limited, limited also, which are having the turnover lesser, smaller loans are required by them. So these are targeted under retail banking. Okay, so got this point. Now let me get the question answers from you. If I have to conduct retail banking, should I go for one loan of 1 lakh crores, or should I go for 1 crore customers of 1 lakh loan? A or B? Should I go for one customer with 1 lakh crores, or should I go for option B, 1 crore customers with 1 lakh loans? What is the option correct? Which is the correct option, A or B? Correct? B option. Now, yes, now we have understood. Retail means distribution of risk. Distribution, okay? Spreading the risk. What are the features of retail banking then? Why is it advantageous? Retail banking is a banking service that is geared primarily towards individual consumers, right? Individual, each one, we call it in Hindi, right? बूंद बूंद से सागर मिलता है, means from drop by drop a sea is formed or ocean is formed. Same logic over here, okay? Retail banking is usually made available by commercial banks and smaller, cooperative banks, okay? So cooperative, this is the same part, okay? You have already studied this, right? So made by commercial and cooperative. Retail banking focuses strictly on consumer, okay? Retail banking is generally mass market driven. See, this mass market driven means you have to go apply the team, full team is applied over there. Mass market driven, but many retail banking products may also extend to small and medium sized businesses. So MSMEs, that's what I told you, isn't it? So retail banking can be applied to individual customer also, or it can be applied to MSMEs also. And what is MSME? MSME. What is MSME? Micro. Remember this, you will always get it throughout your life in banking. Micro, small and medium enterprises. Medium, okay, there is a huge classification given by government MSME department, okay? Enterprises, okay? So this is the meaning of MSME. So these also come under retail banking only. So what does retail banking cater to? Now give me the two names. What does retail banking cater to? Number one, individuals, okay, individual, and number two, MSME, correct, right? MSME, everyone write fast in the comment section. What are the two sectors which MSME, this retail banking caters to? One is individual, second is MSME. So client base is very large, very important, right? Client base is large for retail banking, therefore risk is spread. If one person becomes an NPA, there is hardly any risk to the bank. Customer loyalty is strong. See here, have you seen any customer changing the bank frequently? Once he opens an account over here, then immediately goes somewhere else, closes this in 15 days, next open new. This rarely happens. So loyalty is strong in retail banking, and customers generally do not change from one bank to another, right? There are attractive interest rates. Means what? Attractive interest rates means what? You can earn a huge NIM. What is NIM? Net interest margin. NIM. Okay. Net interest margin. Okay. Margin. So NIM is spread hugely over there. So very attractive spreads, because what happens, since customers are too fragmented to bargain effectively, means what happens, customers don't know the nitty-gritties of the bank. So what a bank can charge 0.25 extra, so their bank can earn something extra from the retail customers. That's why huge margins are there. Credit risk tends to be well diversified. So well diversified means what? It is spread among the huge base of customers. This is the main advantage of retail banking. Always remember, credit risk is spread in the huge database, huge customers, 1 lakh customers of 1 lakh rupees. So that is a huge distribution, isn't it? As amounts are relatively small. What is the amount of personal loan do you give? What is the amount of gold loan do you give? Generally 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, not more than. Whenever you count anything in lakhs, there is hardly any risk to the bank. Okay. So now coming to these batches, see this. Before going ahead, let me give them some clarity about these batches. These two batches are starting from January 13th. Everyone, I would suggest, should join this. Why? Because the portion is new. It has been changed completely, May 23. Okay. Portion is new. You need a mentor, and we'll be covering all the 4 subjects: PPB, IFS, AFM, and RBWM. All the theory, this objective questions, numericals, case studies, whatever is required for this, all the 4 subjects, we are covering it. Now, how to get the discounts here? Getting discount is also an important part, because after all, money is important. Use the code Y432. I'll come to this at the end. Okay. Before that, anyone who has still not liked the video, kindly like it. If you have understood up till now, kindly comment yes in the comment section. Click on the bell icon. Everyone, I'll just wait for half a minute over here. Like this video. Comment on the comment yes if you have understood it. And if you have any doubt, then also you can write it over there. Click on the bell icon. Okay. Chalo, let's move on. Now let's move to the objective question. Now you will answer and I'll ask you. Banking is a dash of modern commerce and trade. What is dash? Means in today's world, for any financial world we call it. So what is banking? Backbone, blood, both A and B, and none of these. Means it is a backbone also and it is a blood also. Means what do you mean by blood? Blood means money flows through banks. That is important, isn't it? So what is the answer? A, B, C, and definitely not D. So what is A, B, or C? Backbone also, blood also. So what is the answer? Correct. It is C, both A and B. Got it? Good. You understood it. Everyone, type fast in the comment section. Is the answer C? How many of you feel that it is just the B answer? How many of you feel it's B answer? Everyone. Or do you feel it's C answer or A? C. C is the right answer because both the things are required. Okay. Which of the following institutions is not a bank? Now, not a bank. Which of them is not a bank? Bank of Baroda, Muthoot Finance, Equitas Small Finance Banks, and HDFC Bank. Which of them is not a bank? Not a bank. Okay. So is Equitas not a bank? Okay. Bank of Baroda everyone knows. So that is out. HDFC Bank everyone knows. That is out. Only the question remains is Muthoot and Equitas. So which of them is not a bank? Correct. Muthoot is not a bank. Muthoot is called as? Correct. NBFC, non-banking financial corporation. Okay. These are NBFCs. These are private institutions. They give finances based on various. It can be gold loan also. It can be housing loan also. It can be any loan. Okay. Which of the following is not the advantage of the retail banking? Not the advantage. Okay. I want not the advantage. Up till now I have given the advantage. Right. Okay. So what is the advantage? Firstly, before going to this question, what is the advantage of retail banking? Everyone, what is the advantage? Risk is what? Risk is what? Type in the comment section. What is the advantage of retail banking? Risk is diversified. Correct. Diversified is the advantage. Diversified. Okay. This is the advantage of retail banking. But now what do I want? I want not the advantage. Not. Okay. So which of them is not the advantage? Loyalty. Less fluctuation in demand, risk is spread, and risk is more. Which of them is not the advantage? Loyalty is there, so it's advantage. Less fluctuation in demand means this is very important part about retail. The demand is generally stable, means constant, not stable. It's constantly moving. Okay. So less fluctuation. That is this advantage? Yes, it's an advantage. I'll write it over here. Okay. A means advantage. Okay. This is A, again advantage. What is this? Risk is spread. So it is again an advantage, right? And risk is more. Is this an advantage? No, this is not an advantage. So not advantage. So what is the answer now? Everyone, answer is correct. D. Got it? Which of the following targets individual segment? Now who targets individual segment? Retail banking, wholesale banking, corporate banking, both B and C. Means both B and C, wholesale also and corporate also. So who targets individual customers? Retail, wholesale or corporate, or both B and C? Correct. The answer is simple A, right? Retail banking is a segment which targets individual customers, and that's why the risk is spread, isn't it? Now, which of the following is not a retail bank? Bank of Baroda, RBI, Bank of India, and A&C. A&C means this, okay? Bank of Baroda and this. I'll write the full form. Many of you might not be knowing, okay? Bank of Baroda, okay? Baroda, that is one. Second, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. This you everyone know, right? Bank of India. This is Bank of India. Okay, we want not a retail bank. Which of them is not a retail? Do you have any branches of retail bank? RBI? Have you seen any branch of RBI doing saving and current account? No, that's why. So, RBI is not a retail bank. Got it, everyone? So now, how to get the discount on these batches, right? As I told you earlier, we'll be giving covering all the numericals, objective questions, everything required over here. Now I'll show you how to get the discounts over here, okay? Go to Adda 24/7 live. So this, now you are on Adda 24/7. If you are having the app, I would suggest go on the app. In the app, you will be getting 1% extra, okay? Discount, extra discount, okay? So click on JAIIB and CAIIB, say this. Now you click on this JAIIB 23 because you are in JAIIB. Click on JAIIB 23. Now you will see all the batches over here. Click on this English batch. Now English batch, see this. All the details you will get it over here for the batch. What all details are given means, for example, see this. What are the timings? What are the dates? What is the study plan? You can go through these at your ease. Also importantly, remember, I'll cover the important part which is very important for you. That is recorded 24/7 videos anytime. Means if you miss out any class anytime, then not to worry. You can have the recorded session of that class. Two interactive classes are there. Means you can ask the question then and there itself and clarify the doubt, right? So now, let me come to the fees part. 19,999. Okay, click on view offers. Let's view the discounts. Okay, always buy anything using the discounts only. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. Now look at this. The fees of 19,999 has reduced to 3,999. Such a huge discount you are getting. 80% off you are getting. So go for it immediately. I would say you should go for it. And also, instead of going in for a single batch, I would suggest go for Mahapack. Mahapack is one of the best options available. Again, go to Adda 24/7 live and then click on JAIIB and CAIIB and click on this JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. In this Mahapack, you will see this JAIIB ka Mahapack, CAIIB ka Mahapack. Click on this JAIIB ka Mahapack. You can go for the combined Mahapack also. Okay, this is also an advantageous part. JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. See this. In this, you will be getting the Mahapack for both the JAIIB and CAIIB. Now look at this duration of this. Look at this. 15 plus batches, very important part. See here, now the offers are going on. Grab these offers. 15 plus live batches for PPB, all this IFS, AFM and RBWM for JAIIB. 15 plus batches for ABM, BFM, this is for CAIIB. 500 plus case studies, then recorded videos. Again, recorded videos are available everywhere. Full length mock test, 30 plus full length mock test, 15 plus full length mock test for CAIIB. You can go read this at your ease, okay? So let me come to the discount part now. 53,996 is the combined fees for all JAIIB and CAIIB Mahapack, okay? But check the discounts, click on view offers. Now you will see huge discounts over here. Put the code Y432, click on apply, look at the discounts. Now it has come to 10,799, means 53,996 reduces to 10,799, 80% off, and also the validity. Validity is 12 plus 12 months, so definitely go for it. I would suggest everyone should go for it, okay? Okay, now why am I stressing on these batches? Because here the important part is the portion has changed for JAIIB and CAIIB both, okay? So what is the portion for JAIIB now? The new portion for JAIIB is, look at this, I'll show you over here. Say this, 4 subjects compulsory: IFS, PPB, Accounting and Finance Management for bankers, and Retail Banking and Wealth Management. 4 compulsory subjects. So a bit difficult part, right? These 2 are new subjects, IFS and Retail Banking. Their negative marking has been removed. Now this is a good sign for you, okay? Just now they have removed it, last week only. That's why I say go for Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. You'll see all the updates over there. So that's why you'll definitely need a mentor for clearing these exams. That's why I would suggest join this batch.